Alright, just wanted to start this video off and tell you about a blooper I did earlier today. I was calling my voicemail and I pressed mute on my TV remote control and proceeded to dial my password in onto the keypad. But that's not the point of this video. I just wanted to throw that in for laughs. The point of this video is that I have this lamp dimmer here and you can see what it's done. You can see that it's came apart on me, and I can also see that this transistor right here is getting a little bit fried looking after all these years of use. I guess this thing's about 13 years old, and actually the first one I had was like this. It lasted about 2 years, and they had like a 5-year warranty on it, so I got a brand new one for free. After that one died, but you can't find these anymore nowadays like this. This has got like a membrane control on it. It's a continuously variable thing. So we'll put this aside, and I don't really see what the camera's seeing, but I'm going to mount this electrical box up through here. And the way I'm going to do it is with these angle brackets I've got right here, or actually what they call them is corner braces, but they'll be perfect for the job. And I got one of these switches to install. So we'll commence to doing some of this work, and maybe I can talk to you a little bit while we work on the things. And first off, I want to tell you this: if you take my advice, take it at your own risk. I will not be held accountable for it. Because electrical work is serious business. I've been around it most all my life, because my dad is an electrician. He's certified. So there we go. Now on to some serious business in just a minute. Alright, for starters, I have removed the knockouts that I need to remove, and all that you have to do that is just insert a screwdriver like so and pull backward with a little bit of force and wiggle that piece off there, and it'll come right off. It shouldn't be too much hassle. And maybe now that I'm mostly ready, we can commence to getting a lot of this on video. And let's see here, maybe I can get you a good illustration of how I'm going to put these angle brackets on this box in here in just a second. And need a washer. I use pill bottles for all kinds of things after they've been emptied. I already had a washer in my hand. And what I'm going to do is thread that nut up like so. I don't know if you can see that, but I believe they call these dog ears. I forgot exactly what these electricians call them, but I believe they call them dog ears. And I think this nut driver is long enough to reach up on there. I don't know for sure. No, it's not. So we'll go ahead and let that screw off. It takes a lot of force to do this. Okay, finally got that one off. I kept at it with nippers and such until it eventually just broke off when I flexed it. Sometimes you just gotta get down and dirty, I guess. It won't fit up on there, of course. Average driver. I thought it fit for some reason, but apparently not. So, I want to do this the hard way too. Which is not that bad. Just take your screwdriver and go like so to it. I don't know for sure what this camera's seeing. I'm going to do that to both sides and I'll be right back. Alright, so I had a better idea on that. On side 2, I took the unscrewed the whatchamacallit off the side of the box here. And it just slips back on like so. And the other one, I just now noticed the other side needs fixed up a little bit. It needs adjusted. We can do that real easy. Or I can do what I'm doing right now and just slide this one back a little bit, like that other side is. Right. I knew I had a Phillips head there somewhere. Alright, we're just about ready to mount up here, so just a second. I'm actually going to switch to my iPod for this job because as can be seen, it's got a smooth surface that can be wiped off in case I get sawdust on it. Or screw dust, or whatever you want to call it. Alright, I might have the microphone kind of covered up. You'll have to forgive me over that right at the moment. Just put on. And now to get the Phillips head bent for my battery powered screwdriver. Let's see if I work with these screws. Yeah, that looks good. Good. Kind of eyeball is centering on that. That looks pretty good right there. Why we're so wobbly with the screwdriver, but we are. Plus it's in my bedroom, so I ain't that worried about aesthetics. So you can take your own idea on this. You might even cut a hole on top of the table and screw the box down to it. It's tight right there. It's not as good as that's going to get. Just realize y'all have a good vantage point of seeing how I did the wiring back there on this. And this might be upside down, but that's how it looks at the box currently. I just took the lamp cord that runs up to this lamp and just fit it in the box in that same clamp side that the power cord's coming through. So next deal is to screw that down. I guess y'all can see this. I got my iPod backwards actually. And of course the table's scooting around on the smooth floor. So now, for now, I'm going to switch back to my other camera. Alright, I'm back to the good camcorder. And I got my wire strippers out. I guess I'm going to put the lamp back on top because it's hard for me to see when it's shining upward like that. I might have got that in the right position. Yeah. Twist these together like so. Twist these together like so. Now this side, I doubt you can see it on camera, but there's some ribs running down the side of it right there. Well, maybe you can't see it. This side just going to go connect straight to the white wire on the power cord. That's real simple. Because technically that's your ground side as far as I'm aware. We're in the home stretch here. This project. Just get them out of the way for right now. Put a wire nut on there. Now, to find my switch, which is right here. And the way this box is set up, I'm going to do something just a little bit different than probably what people would do averagely, but I guess I'm not average. Since I'm using the middle of the box, I'm going to figure out a way to ground it. Should be real simple. It looks something like this, but I hope I can get both of these wires in there. If not, I'll have to cut a piece of scrap or maybe just cut some of this ground wire off this and splice or whatever. And I got crimpers here, so cut this back just a little bit because I stripped it back pretty far. At the factory. And we'll see if these two can go in there together. And they did. Cool. Cool. Now to get the crimpers, wherever I put them. Just go like so. Now the reason for this is I don't know if this ground wire is connected to the front of the switch here, which it should be, but we're going to have a little extra insurance if it's not. Just trimmed off a piece and it just went flying everywhere. Oh well. Let's see here. I wonder if it'd be better if I connected it over on this side or whatever. Matter of fact, I may loosen up on that clamp back there when I get done, because that's going to go right there. And the way the switch is going to wire up, I don't know if you can see these two wires here, but these two wires here, but the switch has two wires also, and it's going to go in between. And I wish the picture wasn't so washed out on the camera, and unfortunately it is. I don't know why my cameras don't agree with light for some reason. I might be able to see a little bit better right there for right now. And for this purpose right here, we're going to twist that on there just a little bit. And let's see what these wire nuts do. Of course, that one wire did not stay, but that's fine. You can always put it back. Like so. And I tell you, I believe I will pull backwards on this wire a little bit and make some more room in that box. Yeah, that's got it right there. Cool, 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 cool. And now to clamp that down on it. We're really in the home stretch right now, as you can see, and I figured I'd wait to tuck these in there, and that crimp connector, I hope I can get that screw in there real easy. Pull backwards on that wire just a little bit. I mean push in. There we go. Just a little bit. It's got to. Okay. And I did forget to check and see if my wire nuts took hold really good. Yeah, it looks like they did. You want to do that before you button up your project, that's for sure. And because the switch body is so big on these things, it's a little bit hard to get them in sometimes. I believe I'll get a few turns on this screw. And then we'll get this one started on the other side. Yeah, that's going to button up nicely. There we go. And of course the table's scooting around again. I'm real curious already just to see if it'll work. And what do you know? It does. Look at that. Now this is one of them LED bulbs, so it don't have much range to it. So I'm going to plug it again and finish putting the switch plate on here. And I'm telling you, looks like Cooper did one of the handiest things. They put the screws in the holes for you. Like this one. And just about to button it up. And I'd really suggest using a manual screwdriver because you don't want to scratch your plate up or anything if you slip with your electric driver. And I can see it's going to be a little bit of a pain, so I may have taken screws out after all. I had to take one out, so. And let's plug it in again. See what goes on. There we go. Thanks for watching. More to come later. God bless, and hopefully the next time I'll be back online, I'll be looking at that Philco GTE television. If you follow my videos, I just ordered some parts for it.